Let's acquaint ourselves with the Coats Embroidery Design Viewer, a software that ensures your supply chain is reduced drastically and thus saves you time and resources. Coats EDV is a window-based application supporting all popular embroidery file formats. The environment comprises icons, a drop-down menu, floating palettes, and simple shortcut keys for your convenience. Now, let's experience the powerful features of Coats EDV with this design. As you can see, we can read the punched design from the hard disk or from the floppy drive. We'll begin by using the design from the hard disk. Which design do I pick? The preview icon button allows me to view the designs conveniently. That's useful. Let's also fix on the format settings. That looks good. We can easily get more design information too. Design size, stitch count, fabric, customer, designer, and keywords. Thread color, thread consumption per color, bob intention, fabric thickness, and stitch length too. We can select an operation we desire and control the stitch count too. Now, what is the stitch done in this corner? Let's view it closely. That seems okay. It's also so easy to pick and view individual objects. How would blue look on this background? But maybe, just maybe, we can improve the look even further. Let's create a new color. Fix the hue, saturation, and luminosity. Name? Cool Green. Hey, Cool Green has been indexed here. Now let's set color to the object. This color merges with the background. Maybe we should change the background color. Now that looks fine, doesn't it? But will coats have a thread of the same color as cool green? Will we need to refer to the coat's global color reference for a match with cool green? Let's see. Fabulous! The entire range of Silco, the world's most popular brand of embroidery thread, is available through Coats EDV. And not just that, Coats EDV located the closest shade to cool green along with the corresponding thread shade number. A smart software indeed. Now we can work with total freedom, knowing that Coats EDV will take complete care of locating the shade chosen or created. Let's view the stitch pattern now. Maybe we can save some thread by removing some of the smaller stitches. Oops, that's too much, far too much. It spoils the look of our embroidery. So let's redo the small stitch removal exercise. That's much better. How much is the thread usage here? We can input the number of needle heads in use, specify the machine type, and define maximum stitch length. And based on our entries, the estimated time and total thread requirement are calculated automatically. An order form can also be generated with Coats EDV. Within the Tools option, Display can change monitor settings. Print sets the font and print output parameters. And General allows choice of fabric between knitted and woven. Now, tile the window horizontal or vertical as per our convenience and compare two designs on a single screen. Well, the modification seems fine, so let's save the design and call it Brasilia. Although this design can be saved in various embroidery machine formats, it is advisable to save it in the .ngs format to facilitate easy emailing. Type the customer name Team Brazil, designer, creator, and keywords BRAZIL Brazil that will help us locate this design from our collection whenever required. Great! With this, we have familiarized ourselves with some of the many powerful and innovative features of Coats EDV. Features that are designed to help brand owners, embroiderers and retailers save time and resources. Coats EDV helps you break free from the rigmarole of the conventional embroidery process by introducing operational convenience from your desktop. Now you can view, modify, enhance and exchange embroidery design files in any popular design format in a virtual environment without having to embroider a physical sample. Coats, the world's leading thread maker, presents Coats Embroidery Design Viewer, an effective embroidery software solution for you, our valued customer.